This is a quick tour of the Digitalis website, which is digitalis.leeds.ac.uk. On the home page, it asks you what you want to do. So, depending on what you're looking for, you might be able to find it down here. So that's one way of navigating the site. Up here, you can use the search box to navigate the website. Or we have organised information into categories. So we have pulled together case studies of digital reflection and how it's been used, both within Leeds but also outside of Leeds. Resources, as we've been gathering together resources, you can get to those on the website. Another way to look at the website is to use the tag cloud here. So if there's something you're particularly interested in, such as blogging or the use of photo story, for example, any of our entries on that subject will be gathered together under those tags. I've gathered together any resources that might be particularly useful for staff under a tag called Staff Development. So there's one here around using Camtasia, which I'm using to record the screen at the moment. If I click on the Staff Development tag, you'll see that there are other things that I've recorded here under that tag. Looking at some of the tabs along the top, you can find out more about us. You can find out more about what we mean by digital reflection. And then if we look in the Resources tab, there are various resources that we've gathered here. Our Learning Resources Toolkit contains general resources which could be useful for digital reflection. We've included information such as video tutorials. If we click on one of these as an example, sourcing and preparing images, we put together a guide on sourcing and preparing images and image copyright. That's there. We put together a video tutorial on using PaintShop Pro to compress image file sizes so that you can upload them to the VLE or the internet. So as we've found things or developed things, we've put them together under our toolkit. We've also developed bespoke resources for the modules that we've been working with, and they're all gathered together here. And then finally, within resources, we've put together some papers and case studies which also contain examples of digital reflection in teaching practice.